There's the source of every man. God is watching us. God is watching us. God is watching us from a distance. From a distance, you look like my friend, even though we are at one. From a distance,